This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on recorder. We'll start by identifying the essential notes for the main melody. Then, we'll focus on the rhythm, ensuring you play each note with the correct timing. Finally, I'll guide you through proper finger placement to achieve a clear and resonant sound. Get your recorder ready, and let's begin this fun musical journey together. Now, let's tackle the first section of Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride. We'll start with the opening phrase, which uses the notes B, A, G, and E. Pay close attention to the rhythm, aiming for a consistent tempo as you play. Practice connecting these notes smoothly, ensuring each transition is clean. This builds a strong foundation for the rest of the song. Keep practicing this part until it feels comfortable. Moving on to the second section, we'll introduce a couple of new notes, specifically high D and C, which add more depth to the melody. This part also features a slightly more complex, syncopated rhythm, so take your time to get it right. Once you're comfortable with this new section, try combining it with the first part we learned. This will help you build the full song piece by piece. To truly master Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride, consistent practice is key. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes each day to reinforce your learning. Using a metronome can significantly improve your timing and rhythm, making your playing more precise. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab a black ice air freshener and other great deals. Keep enjoying your recorder journey and have fun playing this fantastic song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.